Story 1, the hearing test. This is a story about the hearing test. It analyzes the eardrum, the middle ear, tests if things are working well or not. You have to sit still and not move around. No speaking is allowed, even if you're thirsty, even if you're uncomfortable. You have to put on these big earphones. You might even feel the pressure of the suction in the earphones, whooshing in and out of your ear. The reason for that is you can feel it against your eardrum flexing. But that's normal for that machine, so that's okay. Soon you'll begin the actual hearing test. They'll start with really, really soft sounds like ding, ding, ding. And then after you say yes or no on those, they'll begin to make it louder. They'll start increasing it. If you can hear the sound and the dinging, you push a button. Some sounds you might be able to hear at really low frequencies. So that's what starts once you put on the headphones. Story number 2, hearing loss. Hearing loss includes 4 main levels, each with different labels. The 4 labels are mid, moderate, severe, and profound. Most people's hearing loss averages between mid and moderate. Those people can usually speak pretty well, and understand speech, but at low frequencies it becomes difficult to hear. On the audiogram, that level of hearing looks like what they call banana levels. The threshold is at about 25. Profound hearing loss, or deaf, averages about 1D. Severe hearing loss can average from 90 to 80 decibels.